Hello everyone, this is Slava from Kitchen Garden Therapy, and today I would like to unpack a gift that I received from Survival Garden Seeds. It's an American company that sells heirloom seeds that are open pollinated and naturally grown. So let me share with you what I received. So this is a home garden collection with 30 packs of vegetables and herb seeds. I love how it's packaged. It looks like it's a waterproof Ziploc, so it can protect the seeds from temperature changes, moisture, light, and this zip bag can be reused in the future for seed storage. I will post the link to their website in the description box below. They have different kinds of seed kits. So this one is for small gardens called Home Garden Collection, but there are Homesteader Collection, Farmer Collection, and others. Because I have a small backyard garden, this kit suits my needs. Let's see what's in there. Whoever was packing my order, they did a great job by tying few seed packages together so they don't jump around. So there's 4 bunches of seeds, and let's take a look and see what exactly I received. And the first one is San Marzana Tomato, which is one of my favorite varieties of tomatoes. So I'm excited to get more seeds of these amazing tomatoes. They have the planting instructions in the back, and what is interesting that I've never seen before on seed packages, they have how to save seeds. That's an interesting thing. Another variety I received is yellow pear. I also love these little baby tomatoes. I had been growing them before in my garden, and I wouldn't mind grow them again. And this is an interesting mix of heirloom tomatoes. I wonder what varieties would be in there. I also got one variety of cucumber, which happened to be one of my favorite varieties. I love National Pickling Cucumber. And as you can see, it has the saving seed instructions as well, which is an important thing to learn. Black Beauty eggplant is also one of my favorite varieties of eggplants. It grows really well in my climate. It says here that you need to have at least 6 eggplants to maintain good genetic diversity if you want to save seeds. I've never heard this before, so good to know. Now okra. I don't really like okra that much. I had a red variety last year and I didn't like it, but I told myself that I will give a try to a green variety. I also got some peppers. So this is California Wonder, which is a sweet bell pepper, and this is a red variety. I also received some cayenne pepper. They should be fun to grow since they are kind of hot, and I love growing hot peppers, so more hotter the better. And serrano pepper, which I have grown before and I love it. I actually like serranos more than jalapenos. And the last pepper is Marconi Red, which is an interesting variety. I've never heard of it before. It says here that it's a sweet Italian pepper. Now radish, I received a champion variety. Never grew these before, and I love radishes. It says that it's going to be ready in 25 days and it can grow up to 2 inches. So that's exciting. There are some carrots called Little Fingers. Interesting name, I like it. And it says over here that these are extremely popular baby carrot variety. Nice. I'm excited to grow this. I'm actually going to sow them this next week, carrots and radishes. There is also Celine Rapid, which is excellent variety to grow. I love beets and I'll be definitely sowing them as well. There is also a package of turnips, snowball variety. Never had them before, but I had other varieties of turnip and I like them. They are so similar to radishes. Also some zucchini. I got winter squash, which is a butternut variety. I never grew it before. Cabbage, I love cabbage. Some broccoli. They also included several varieties of herbs like cilantro, flat leaf parsley, also some lemon balm, melissa, and some salad greens, things like lettuce, Paris Island variety, also basil, large leaf, also some spinach, viroflay variety. I grew it before, it's an excellent variety for salads, and another herb, dill. And each of the packages, even herbs and salad leaves, has the seed-saving instructions, which is a great thing. Thank you so much, Survival Garden Seeds, for sending me these seed packages. I will gladly use them in my garden. And if you would like to order seeds from this company, click on the link in the description box below.